Hey, what's up? Homemade bagels are way healthier yet tastier than store-bought one. And it's one of the easiest bread to make at home. Today I'm gonna make the sourdough version. No harmful ingredients, no bread improver, just few simple ingredients. Chewy outside, fluffy inside. I can't wait to share with you. So let's get into this, shall we?
5 hours after I feed my starter right out of the fridge, it's looked like this. In a medium-sized bowl, add 6 grams salt, 150 gram water, and the secret ingredients for this recipe is honey. You can add any other sweetener you like. Can be even sugar. 60 gram active starter, mixy, and last but not least, 300 gram bread flour. Mix everything inside the bowl until the dough comes together. Once you had a clean bowl like this, go ahead and bring the dough on the surface because we gonna need this bad boy. You might ask why I don't use a stand mixer. Believe it or not, it's faster, more fun, and easier. Unless you don't use one of those expensive spiral mixers, with normal home mixers, it takes so long to mix such a low hydration dough. Cause you can mix with high speed, otherwise you will break your mixer. So use your hand and don't be lazy, it only takes 8 to 10 minutes. And that was the answer for some of those home bakers who complains about their mixers. Once the dough gains some beautiful strength, cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'm gonna get fancy, bring the dough on the surface and round it up one more time. Like so, I create even more tension. And this time into the smaller bowl because we're gonna see the rise. Which in my room temperature, it takes around 5 hours. And here is a well-fermented bagel dough. Puffy, airy, rise dramatically. I'm gonna punch it, release the air, and bring it on the surface. This amount of dough gonna give me 4 beautiful bagels. Separated into 4 equal pieces, you can use a scale in this part. Now let me show you 4 simple shaping methods. This is shaping number 1. I think I talk too much. Let's watch and learn. Shaping number 2. This one is my favorite. Shaping number 3. I guess everyone know this. Fold all the sides to the center, just round it all up with the help of the surface. Sprinkle little flour and time to make a hole. Easy peasy, right? We're gonna make sure the hole not gonna close later, because after it's proofing, the dough gonna expand more. And lastly, shaping number 4, which is a combination of number 3 and number 1. Here you are, 4 different bagel shaping methods. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. I'm gonna cover them with a damp towel and let them proof. Again, in 26 degrees Celsius, it takes around 1 to 1.5 hours. How are we gonna know? Poke test, my friend. Poke them gently and they're gonna bounce back slowly. As simple as this. In a pot of boiling water, add 2 tablespoons of honey, because the last step before baking is boiling. That's why I put them on baking paper. I can transfer them easier, and after a few seconds, peel the baking paper. Boil each side up to 1 minute. Of course, if you don't want that classic chewy texture on your bagels, you can skip this step. And now, time to use whatever seed or topping you like. I go with mixed sesame because it's my favorite. You can use everything: bagels, jalapeno popper, anything you like. If you can coat the bagels inside the seed, the result would be much more better. Like so, the seed's gonna stick properly. Something like this. Bake at 230 degrees Celsius preheated oven for up to 25 minutes. And the great thing about bagels is you don't need to let them cool down. Fluffy inside and chewy outside. And that's, my friend, it's a beautiful homemade sourdough bagel. And of course, my favorite part, tasting time. Oh my god, I wish you could smell it. These are by far the tastiest yet easiest bagels I have ever made. Little bit of cream cheese, avocado, smoked salmon. Should I tell you how many sandwiches you can make with this? You know, right? While I'm enjoying this beautiful sandwich, I'm gonna say thank you to all of you. We are about to hit 20k subscribers soon, and that's never happened without you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it now. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.